Gotta activate Apex eval. I have a problem, guys. Take Profit does not clear the payouts before 9:30 a.m. What do I do? Good morning. So I have 544 and I traded a little bit later, 576. So I requested like a little over $1,000, but still not cleared. Do I risk trading the open range trade? That is the question. Come on, Apex, load in already. If I don't trade it, then what am I gonna do? I need more. How'd you do yesterday, Trader JX? Because it dropped a lot, no? I know you were short yesterday. I felt like it dropped. I don't know what to do. And why is this not loading? I'm gonna do one account. I don't think I'll regret it if I don't. I might regret it if I lose too, but like gotta get used to it. Until I get more Take Profit Trader accounts, it's gonna be a problem. I don't even know why this account's like this. I'm not even supposed to trade these accounts. These accounts are not real accounts. These accounts transfer into the accounts I have on the live side, these accounts. So I don't know if I traded this by mistake yesterday or when, but hopefully that doesn't matter. And then these are the evals. So if I pass these evals, right, then these turn into pro plus accounts on Tradeovate. Like they'll become pro on Rhythmic, but I can't. It doesn't matter if I trade them or not. I can't make money with it. Then I have to transfer them into a pro plus account, which is only on Tradeovate, and that's how that works. I sent a couple evals yesterday on Apex, blew a few as well. I got 6,000 on 2 of them, passed 1. So hopefully I could pass these. All right, we got 5 minutes. I gotta decide. If I wanna take the risk. See if the copy trader is on. So it should copy into this account here. Let me place an order. Yep. So I'm using Trade Synchro Bridge to copy from QUANTOWER to Tradeovate, because executing this trade on Tradeovate would not be ideal. If I could not do this, I would be using NinjaTrader with a plugin from Affordable Indicators, or there's a couple other ones that allow you to trade on chart without having to right click. Like if I had to do this on Tradeovate, I could do it, but the brackets, actually on one account it would work, no problem, right? I could just do this. Yeah, so on Tradeovate it would work if I did one account. Just, I'm used to QUANTOWER, so. We got 3 minutes till the open. Good luck everyone today. Let's hope for a better day. I really gotta manage my risk on that Tradeify account, a 15-minute opening range trade later. Yesterday I got myself into too much trouble. Nice rip on NQ right now. That sell-off yesterday was so clean. Very frustrating to have a max daily loss yesterday on that. But again, if you're just tuning in, I have a balance of 576 on this account here, and I requested that as a payout. Unfortunately, with the live accounts, TakeProfitTrader does not clear the payouts before 9:30 open. It will clear probably by 10:30, 11 a.m. So I am risking that payout right now. I have 2 of them coming though from 2 accounts. So I'm only risking it on 1 account. It sucks, but no risk, no Rari, as they say. Almighty, good morning. Erkin, good morning. Nice ATR so far. Hopefully ATR picks up even at the open. $45 seconds. Good luck. Tricky one. I would prefer short The one like this, I shouldn't even. Very slow. Go, 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 go. Ah. No dice. There we go. That was a piece of work right there, but these type of trades also help me with the prop firms. I have a 10-second limitation, right? Now this trade was for 26 seconds, so that offsets yesterday's 3-second trade quite a lot. So that was good. All right, we got it. So let's see how much. Another $400 payout locked in. All right, so getting those payouts locked in is the most important part. I also took it on the eval. Oh, miscalculated that a little bit. We're gonna try to pass that eval now. I am only $200 away from passing this eval, so let's hope we could do it for the 15-minute opening range. So ORB, very clean this week. Obviously, I messed up on Monday just because I was trying to be cute with it. But 3 in a row. Things are heating up. I mean, this is a normal ORB. It's not always going to be quick. But definitely these are the ones that make you like, oh, that's probably going to be a loser. But also, these are the ones that when, you know how many times I've lost where like it went that much of my profit, pulled back, went into my profit again, and then it fell apart. Like, and you know how many times I questioned myself, why didn't I just sell a break even or just for a small loss? But then you have this one that becomes a winner. So it's like, I would have choked this winner. All right, I need $200 on this eval. No, no, no. I don't want 3 contracts. What on earth? I want 1 contract. Ugh. Come on. Of course it's not gonna. All right. We got almost passed. Thinking about shorting this, but see if it fails again. And it failed a little bit. Okay, we need like 5 more ticks. 5 ticks. $18. All right, past that one. All right, so we got 2 fundeds with Apex now. Just gonna activate them all tomorrow or something. On the 50-minute opening range, I'm probably gonna trade my Traderify accounts. Wish I had your skills to pass evals. I don't have that good of a skill, to be honest. With the 50Ks, yes. 50Ks I could pass. With Apex, I could pass. But as soon as Apex would get rid of 10 contracts, the odds become so much more difficult. What a dump on gold. Okay, this one needs $2,200 to pass. I still got my Tradeify. No, not Tradeify. My Take Profit Trader evals to trade. Like if Apex got rid of the 10 contracts, then it wouldn't be as easy to pass the eval, because with 10 contracts to pass a 50K eval with Apex, all you need is 15 points. That's all you need is 15 points. Versus like on Tradeify, you need 30 points of profit. Battlefield 6 is out. No, it's not. That was the 10th. Is it out or that was the 10th? How many contracts can you have now? With Apex evals, it's 10 on the 50Ks. On the 150Ks is 17. The good thing about Take Profit Trader evals is that this is a static drawdown. So I have 4,500 plus 3,700. I thought you said they got rid of 10 contracts. Which account? When did I say that? Apex hasn't changed anything about their programs in ever. Like ever. Literally. Ever since they started, it's been the same. The only thing that they change is the 1-day pass. But that's not really. Wow, what a move. What a move we got to the upside. The ORB could have paid today really nicely. No, no. See, I guess I can't say stuff like that because then people are just misunderstanding. Someone said, I wish I had your skill to pass eval so easily. I'm like, it's not that easy. I said 50K eval is easy to pass, but if Apex just changed one thing, which if they got rid of 10 contracts, it would be very hard to pass. The only reason why it's easy to pass is because it's 10 contracts. That's all I said. Nothing has changed with Apex. like a 50K on Tradeify, 50K on Lucid, 50K on Take Profit Trader, 50K on Bullnox is not the same as 50K on Apex. Apex is just by far the easiest to pass evals quickly because of how many contracts they allow. It's easier to get 15 points on Apex than it is like 30 points on Tradeify, even though Tradeify is end of day drawdown. But I don't like the 50K accounts because of how tight the daily, not the daily, but the 30% drawdown is on the 50Ks. It just doesn't work for my opening range trade. I break that rule way too much. So I'm trying to stick to 150Ks, but it definitely is harder to pass. I blew a bunch yesterday. So now I'm thinking, should I go to 50Ks? I should be waiting for news, but of course there's no news coming up anytime soon. News is the key for evals, but all right, we got 3 minutes till we lock in the range. The range is probably locked in already. I'm assuming it's not gonna break 153 in the next 3 minutes. So in that case, I am going to trade our second Tradeify account. In all honesty, I should be passing evals with the opening range trade. That's how I should be testing it. Should be testing the opening range trade with my, with the evals and try a pass. It would take me like, what did I make on that? Like 2 grand. All right, 15-minute is locked in. A little bit of a trap here, but I don't know if I trust it yet. I'll take a little stab at it. If it does fail, I would prefer the long to play out on the opening range. So if I get stopped out, it's okay. It's just a little test. All right, got stopped out there. So hopefully we could get a nice clean 15-minute opening range. I just need to see clear continuation. See, like right now, it's not doing it. If it's not super clear, I'm going to take on an eval. If it's super clear, I'm going to take on this Stratify funded. Of course, I get faked out. Ah, these bastards. I actually don't have ES open. I have gold. Is ES going down? Where I have ES open, I have gold open. I have another screen I could use for ES, but alrighty. I didn't get in yet. Retest. All right. All right, I'm in. On this trade, I would need gotta hold the 15-minute. Definitely held the retest a couple of times. Let's see if we could get a break. Doesn't want to go. But at least we broke the 15-minute. Unlike yesterday, we waited like an hour for it. Again, this account is pretty cool because it has static drawdown. So if I lose, it will be basically a fresh eval. But that only happens on arithmetic accounts. Unless they patched it. Hopefully not. Okay, let's break and let's hold above 15-minute, please. There we go. Just gotta hold above 153, consolidate if it wants to, and keep making a little move forward. Yeah, definitely a lot of sellers up there. Gonna have to switch my bias short soon and risk the highs. One thing I started doing, which I don't like, is if a trade goes against me, I chicken shit out and then try to take it off for break even. Well, if you take the trades off for break even a lot of times, the problem is that your winning trades are not going to be there because the winning trades are going to get stopped out break even too. And that is the biggest problem with tighter stops. Like that's what happened to me yesterday. We had a beautiful short, right? I had as clear of an entry with a high of day stop, you know, went in my favor a little bit, and I put my stop for a profit, and I got stopped out, and of course missed out on the beautiful trade, which would have hit my target and made my daily goal. I missed out on all of that, and then I took another trade, and that trade ended up losing. So hurt myself by using a break even or profit stop, and that happens often. So it's definitely a difficult thing to do. All right, this is looking like it's just consolidating, so we just got to stay above 150s. Because if it's going to keep opening up the channel, it's going to get worse and worse. Like right now, it's getting lower and lower, as you could see. Just gonna get a nice clean breakout here. Come on. I mean, I'm not asking for a lot. We had decent volatility today. I think we could get another 10 points here. Let's go. Miss K, let's go. That's what I like to hear. Hopefully we both did. Come on. I mean, I'm not asking for that much. Yeah, everyone's trading gold, but I don't know how. I don't know how to trade it, so I'm not gonna attempt. There she goes. Come on. You could do it. Come on, baby. There she goes. What? What? No way. I'm not gonna be stupid. I'm halfway to passing. That's kind of what I wanted. So still have it on my Tradeify account though. Same trade. That's all I made is 695 on my Take Profit Trader account. Jeez. I guess I took that loss earlier, but damn. Come on, just one big explosive candle so I could close this out. You know what? Let's just get out because I'm going to ruin my day again. This is going to come all the way back down to my break-even stop, and I'm only going to be up $500, so it's going to piss me off. So let's just take this, whatever it is, and 857. Can't complain about that. Can't complain about that. It is a 150K account, so it's not that much profit, but how much drawdown do I have? 1,400 on the account from yesterday. Just waiting for the Take Profit just takes forever to clear the accounts, guys. It's not good. It's annoying more than anything. Daily payouts, but they don't clear them before. I requested at like 10 p.m. last night. All right, so I feel good about that. And I said yesterday that should be it for me, right? I said that. 15-minute. Whoa, fuck, guys. Jeez. Why does it always happen? Why can that happen when I'm in the trade? Oh, the market knows how to ruin your mood in a split second, huh? I guess it was news at 10 o'clock, though. Had to be. No, Actually, was it news? Would have had a beautiful trade right there. That's what I said. I wanted one explosive candle to sell into, and boom. Of course, it comes after I get out. What a squeeze today. What a squeeze. Oh my God. Market does not have brakes. No brakes. Straight gas. I didn't realize yesterday was that big of a sell-off though. Jeez. Is it gonna reach yesterday's highs? Well, Captain Price, I hope to see your name on the $1 million payout soon, because you seem to be a very good trader. Damn, weather sucks today. Supposed to get nice though. Hope the Yankee game doesn't get rained out. You sat on hands? How can you sit on hands when it's so obvious? Oh. Excuses. Excuses. I don't want to hear excuses. You think price action is so obvious and you're not trading it. It's not that obvious. I don't know. One of my biggest pet peeves is when people think they know exactly what the market's gonna do when they don't. Well, ORB 3 days in a row. Good sign. Good effing sign. The 15-minute was tricky today, but it's working. See, like you got to take advantage of this 15-minute opening range trade, because when it doesn't work, the loss is big. So when it works, you got to take advantage. And of course, today I did not take advantage. That's what bothers me sometimes. Like, if I had 3 contracts. If I just hold this one contract up to here, right? So I sold at 178, 198, let's say. That's extra $200. I guess that's not that much. Seems bigger. But that would have been over $1,000. And it's just, you're going to risk. I was risking, I forget where my stop was. It was like 143, I think. Somewhere here it was. So I almost got stopped out. 162. I think it was 142. I think 20 points. So not even 1-to-1 risk reward. But it could be. It's just you got to be patient for the biggest problem for me is when it goes through the drawdown first, right? It goes through the drawdown, then it's like, oh, I just want to get out just to protect the gains. If this was like straight up from the beginning, I probably would have held it a little longer. But it's all hindsight, just trying to think out loud how to get better at this. Am I getting gray in your beard? I barely have a beard, so I don't think so, but last 7 weeks has been pretty stressful. So if I am getting gray in my beard, it's from the last 7 weeks. But don't women love gray beards and rich men? Isn't that a thing? Like George Clooney. Oh, I feel so much better today. But I wanted to trade more, but now I don't. Now I feel like I completed my mission for today. I did the same yesterday, and what did I do later? I ruined it. Is it worth ruining it? Now, the difference right now would be I would be trading only eval, so it wouldn't be ruining it that much. So let's try to trade this one apex eval. Because on take profit, I'm just going to flip this eval. I need $4,500 still on this, though. That's the problem. Wow, we are still ripping, guys. Let me just flip this really quick. See if I bought the top. Oh, of course I did. Friday, I have a wedding that's over 2 hours away. So Friday, definitely just very quick stream. Let me see how far it is right now, actually. I don't even know the name of the place. Let me flip this real quick. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't turn into a disaster here, but I don't know why I also did 2 contracts. If this is the top, then that's just gonna be funny. It's not even gonna be sad. It's just gonna be funny. If I just get out of this account and I crisscross these accounts tomorrow, I could pass one guaranteed. Play a little game of crisscross. Well, anyone that's short selling, you're welcome. Just saved your life. I found the top. Don't worry, Trader JX. This is going right back down to the 15-minute. The high is in. Let's put it that way. I'm waiting for that email from Take Profit, even though I'm not gonna trade the other account, because I'm gonna use that account tomorrow for the open range. I missed the daily pay. Maybe I gotta do trade day. I want the daily payouts. I don't know if trade day clears it the same day though. Come on, little pop. There we go. I'll sell one. Just to be safe. Good thing I did. Yep, shorts are in control right now. Do I flip this? Do I flip this short? Try add one more and then I'm stopping out. I'm gonna flip it short. Not gonna flip it short right on here though. I'm just gonna wait for break into the 200s, pop, fail, and then so much for a quick flip. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. I found the top, which is, you would think on a day like today would be impossible, but I managed it. All right, I'm gonna just short every pop and stop high a day. It's not going. All right. I'm gonna start one in just in case it doesn't pop. Yeah, shorts are in control now. Gold looks sideways now. See if we can retest the 150s. Can't believe I didn't get filled for a second contract there. Actually, never mind. I thought it touched it. It didn't. It did not. Well, I'm getting played just like I did yesterday. You know, I ruined the day by going for an extra trade. Even though it was a flip, it turned into a disaster, but hopefully I'm on the right side of the market now, and then hopefully you can just make a little profit. I really want more take profit trader accounts. I mean, if this would recover right now, that would be pretty funny, but not impossible. Because we did crack this low here and went straight back up. This could have been just a big old trap. The 7 wood is nice. It was great, but I don't know what I changed. I was so mad yesterday and Monday night. I started to hook everything. Everything's a hook now. I used to never hook unless I completely hit the ball. Now I hit the ball what it seems like I hit it clean. It's a hook. And I don't know what I changed in my swing. So I have to go get lessons again. Just can't figure it out. I changed something and literally every ball's going left. increase my distances a little bit. So I changed something in the positive direction. I just don't know how to correct the hook. I try to open the face, doesn't make a difference. I got played so good. Oh, whatever. It is what it is. Hopefully it doesn't just break out. Hopefully it just rejects the higher day. Damn, the longs took control so fast. No way they're gonna break this out. Oh, they probably will though. They probably will. Should have just DCA'd. Would have been fine. This high right here at 214 is very important. Damn it. Oh man. Need to shut it down like Corey was saying. It's just an eval, but oh fuck. Gonna blow this eval. Unbelievable. I went for a flip and I'm gonna blow an eval. I mean, I still was halfway to passing. I still needed a lot of profit in it, but gonna end the same way I ended yesterday on a freaking. But yesterday was a funded. Today is just an eval. Fuck it. Let's just blow it up. Found the top, found the bottom. I am a king of price action. Let's put it that way today. If it goes down, it goes down. If it doesn't, maybe I'll just pass it. I won't even go for a break even now. So stupid. I literally pressed it. Now it shows up. Now it shows up. I literally pressed the button 5 seconds earlier. This market, man, what is going on? Something's happening because my order didn't even go through. Oh, I cannot wait to hit this button right here as soon as I get out of this trade. Whether it's a win or a loss, I am so over it. I am so back to opening range trades. You guys have no idea. Every time I try to stick around and look what's happening, and it's just giving me a sign. Get the hell off the computer. As soon as you're done with the 9:45 opening trade, done. Who cares about streaming longer? Who cares? There's no point. Stream longer when things are going well, not when things are going bad. You gotta. I'm only sticking around because of streaming. That's the biggest thing. Is I don't want to make my streams 20 minutes long. And I take this stupid trade with two minis instead of just taking a micro, and I'm stuck in this trade. And I get it so wrong. It's not even like close. Like I bought the top and I flipped it short in a somewhat decent spot. But of course, the market is going to recover today because it's not going to be one of those days where it goes up and down. It's one of those days that it just trends, which never happens lately. It always goes up and down. Now I spent $200 on this keyboard. I'm not breaking it. Just needs to dump. Just dump back to like 200. I'm over that, Captain. I've been trading for way too long to be. I just use my words as anger, and then as soon as I exit, I could, I couldn't care less about trading. As soon as I exit and I leave, like if I leave, I don't care. Like I go golfing. I have so many things going on that I don't think about it, and I'm so excited for the opening range trade. Opening range trade is so back, right? That's what I gotta think to myself. It's back. That's what makes me money. This is just stupid flip trade. Yeah, that's very it's because I'm sticking around. It's because I'm sticking around when I'm not supposed to, Trader JX. I'm not supposed to be here anymore. I've said this so many times over and over again, and I keep doing the same thing. Like I can't read the price action. So why am I trying? Why am I trying? Like get in the right mindset first and then do whatever. For now I got two trades, 9:30 and 9:45. That's it. That's all I got in my toolbox. It's the big losses. Well, in trading futures, there's no big losses. I mean, with trading prop firms. So that's a positive. I guess I did have some big losses in September, but So stupid. For all this for a flip trade. Because I was too lazy to switch over to MNQ. Unbelievable. Again, cap in price. I pray that you have at least $200,000-$300,000 in payouts. I pray. Big trades, yeah. I don't know what I was thinking. I really don't know. All right, so let's calm down with the commentary because I don't care about it, okay? Go somewhere else if you want to do a commentary on every single price movement and you're not even trading it. So, not here. It's not the first time. I remember many, many months ago. Nah, I don't ban people like that. No reason to ban. We're having a conversation. I just pray that someone that has such obvious read on the market is making more money than I am. Because if not, that's pretty sad. Because I'm not good at trading. Never been good. I'm average. I get by. That's about it. Come on, just drop. Just drop. Should have covered more, but I need to be over $4,500 in equity so I could pass tomorrow. Do I like the tick charts better? Yeah. Come on, take profit. Send me my payout already. Still not cleared. Well, at least the price action is a little bit more slowed down now, so could go either way, really. Flagging up here, but I'm not asking for much here. They literally just closed at 0 profit. How is that possible? Like, I'm literally, like, look, at 0. $55 and $55 in commissions. Exactly to a penny. I don't think I've ever seen that. After that many contracts, to be at 0, that's 1 in a million chance, I think. That is insane, actually. Like, I didn't make $1 on that. I hope the account has a flip, though. Imagine they don't. I mean, I think I have $55 in gross profit and then $0 net profit. One of the worst flips ever. That was bad. I'm done for the day. I am done. That already pissed me off so much. Yes, let's have a green morning and again, push the boundaries a little bit too much. Could have been a beautiful morning. This pissed me off, but we survived. So now we could think about it next time, right? Tomorrow is going to be opening range trade, 9:45 opening trade, and that's it. I got to stop trading after that. There's just no reason for it. I got to get less is more. Less is more. This was just an eval, but that was a stressful eval because I really want to have more take profit trader accounts. I think that's like my key to decent payouts this month. Wow, what a sell off now, of course. All right, guys, I'll call it a day. I'm gonna go enjoy something. I don't know. I gotta do a couple emails and work related stuff, and then I gotta go to do my stretching at 1 p.m. and then probably go play some golf. Driving range. It's kind of raining still, so I don't know, but I'm gonna go make some breakfast, and then I just gotta do less and get back on track. I think that's the best way to do it. We're gonna get back to 20, 30K months, trading 10 minutes a day. That's the goal. I'll see you guys all tomorrow, or maybe on some other streams later. I don't know. I like to pop into some streams. Later, guys.